I'm not great at these short videos. I always prefer to explain what I want to really deliver, because every short sentence can actually be misinterpreted and misunderstood. So I wanted to say, live in the future, make your future brighter than your past. So I just wanted to say that sentence, but there will be people who will misunderstand that. There will be people who will think, okay, making my future brighter than my past. What if my past I had lots of family and they've passed away, or I had money and I lost it, or I had a business and it's gone and now I don't have this and now I'm looking at it. So they're going to look at it from that perspective. So it requires an explanation. Let's look at it this way. Imagine a graph and you're in the center. Now the present is in the center. If the past is better than now, then it's a sign. So let's think of it as going this way, it's going down. If the past is better, so up here is great and down here is bad. If the past is really good, that means that your present is here. That means that your future's here. So it's going downhill. But if your present is here and your past is here, that means that your present is better than the past. That means that your future is likely to be better than the present. Okay? So try your best. Do everything in your power to make your present better than the past. That way, your future will be better than your present. But if your present is worse than your past, then it's likely your future will be worse than the present. Okay? Now, normally people will say, oh, but life is worse now than it was before. That's why they keep saying the word the golden times or the golden age or so on and so on and so on. The golden times they refer to it as. If that time was better than now, it's because you're not making this time better. You've only got two mentalities. You've got victim mentality and you've got action mentality. If you're in the victim mentality, you're thinking people have done this to me, the world has done this to me, he's done this to me, she's done this to me, and so on and so on. That's victim mentality. And we're not taking away that you might be a victim and that you have been hurt, and everyone in the world at some point or another is a victim. Everyone at some point or another does get hurt by something or someone. Okay, so we are all in that sense victims. So we're not taking away the truth and the reality that a person might be a victim. We're not. But you have to believe yourself, okay, I'm not a victim anymore. You have to come out of that shell and start to say, I'm going to take action. Because a lot of the time when you're in victim mentality, it restricts you and prevents you from taking action, and you stay still, you stay stagnant, you don't want to move. Okay, but when you take action mentality, that I'm not going to let this define my life, I'm going to change, I'm going to do something about this, I'm going to take action. When you do this, then it's a wonderful force that awakens inside you, and you move forward and you change your life, you transform it. So this is what a person needs to do. If your past was better than your present where you are now, because of the things that has happened around you, that's fine, that's understandable, but that doesn't mean you've not learned from it. You could have, what you've learned today, compared to the past, you've grown, you've learned, you've experienced. So though outwardly you might have lost things, but you as a person would have grown if you've grown. That's not always the case, but let's say you have grown. So then that's positive mindset. You're thinking in a very good way. That's correct. But if you think, no, I've lost everything and all that matters is materialistic world, and there's no growth inside, and you don't focus on the growth inside, then yeah, the past is better, you're here, and the future is going to be there. So you've got to make this choice. Do you want to go this way, that your present is better than the past and your therefore future will be better, or do you want to go this way? Because you don't want to be downhill. Don't be downhill. Let today be the day that you change and you go, the curve, let that U-turn take place and go up. Let your future be better than your present and your present better than your past.